Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to start a weekly habit in the MyFitnessPal food tracker app. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the MyFitnessPal app and go to the dashboard tab. You can access it in the bottom left, and then we're going to find the start a habit section. So this habit feature is in beta, so if you don't have it, you might not have access to beta features. So for me, it's right here under calories in the calorie tracker, and I'm just gonna press on start a habit. And here's where you decide what habit you want to select. So for example, eat more protein, eat more vegetables, stuff like that. But if it's none of these, you can just select a habit that you want to add basically, and that might be added in the future. But for now, these are the options that are available. So for example, eat more vegetables. I'm gonna press that, then press next. And if you want, you can enable notifications. Make sure that they're enabled in the settings though. So if you want to, you can enable these, and it's going to notify you when to consume vegetables or whatever it wants to notify you about. And there we go, the habit has been made, and now it's going to notify you whenever you need to eat vegetables. So that's pretty much it. You can now press and track what days you have completed. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.